Hi guys, it's Kim with 5 Minute Cloth, and today I have a review and overview of the Smart Bottoms Too Smart cover. And I purchased this with my own money, but just like any of my reviews, it's my own opinion. So I'll just start off with details about the cover, and then I will go into my opinions on it. So the Too Smart cover is from Smart Bottoms. It is made in the USA and retails for $22. The advertised weight range is 10 to 35 pounds. It has a 4-step rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is made out of 100% PUL. When you open it up, you can see that it has 10 snaps across this way. Like I said, a 4-step rise. When you open it up, you see it is very, very high quality PUL. The snaps here and the rise, as well as the waist, are reinforced with another layer of PUL, which is excellent to see. It has a very generous front flap, as well as a back flap, which is a bit smaller, but it does have a back flap as well. One thing that's very unique about this diaper than any of the other covers that I have is that it has these massive gussets. I have never seen a cover that has gussets this large. I'll get to my opinions on them later, but here they are. The elastics run pretty much from the top of the diaper all the way to the back, so you get really good coverage with the elastics. And the elastics themselves are a little bit wider than some of the other diapers that I have, especially this elastic here. You can see it's pretty wide, as well as the back elastic is much wider than most diaper covers that I have. I did some research online looking at some reviews. A lot of people really like this cover. Some of the main themes of positive reviews were that they hold up really well over time, the quality is excellent, which I totally agreed. This is just a super high quality, well-made diaper. You can tell the PUL is really good. People really like the flaps, and it's great for skinny babies. People enjoy the 4-step rise to give it more adjustability. Some people commented that they like it for overnight and that they never get leaks because of these great elastics. And they really enjoy that you can get the Smart Bottom prints, but without having to pay for the all-in-one, which is quite a bit more money than the cover. So those are the pros that I found looking on different review sites. The cons were a lot about just the size being too small, leaving red marks due to the tight elastics, an odd rise, overall just poor, awkward fit. So pretty much all of the cons had to do with fit, not anything to do with the quality of the diaper. So, and that is kind of the same conclusion I had on my daughter. My daughter has pretty chunky legs, so this doesn't really work that well for her, and I did find the rise to be really odd, and I had a hard time getting a good fit around the waist. The tabs just seemed very short, so the fit for me is really not great at all. And the gussets here being so big, I have no idea what to do with them. Sometimes they stick out really far and go all the way down her thigh. So then I tuck them in, but then really I just don't see the point of having a gusset so big. It's just my opinion, so it was kind of interesting to see. The cons that I found online were pretty much the same exact thoughts that I was having on this diaper. That being said, a lot of people really like this, and it works for a lot of people. That just goes to show that really every diaper is going to fit children differently depending on their body type and their size. Here, let me show you it on my daughter, who is 19 months old and about 23 pounds. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of the Smart Bottoms Too Smart cover, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!